Okay, here's my 2016 Multistrada. I love this motorcycle. This is a Multistrada S, which doesn't come with any baggage on the back, panniers, or center stand. So I went ahead and got a center stand. I think that's a must-have thing. I ordered it directly from Italy. Actually, I think I got it from a distributor in Germany. And I can put a link to this because the prices are much better when you order it direct than when you go through a US distributor. So we're going to install this thing. Okay, one thing a little disappointing is with your center stand, it came with a little bag of things, but I don't see any instructions. All right, so here's what we got. You can see it looks like it's from Germany. And $218 plus $45 shipping, $263. I will bet you that you cannot find a deal that good in the US for the center stand. Okay, let's see what we got here. Spring, some type of bolt. Looks like a spring bolt thing, another bolt, and a big spring. And this thing. I imagine this is probably the rubber stopper. When the stand is in the upright position, it keeps it from banging on your frame. Let's see if we can figure this out. All right, let's see here. Okay, let's see what we got here. Here's something. I wonder if that's where the stopper goes. I'll bet it is. Well, no, it's too small. Man, it's dirty down here. I need to clean this thing. All right, let's see. So if this comes up like this, this goes into there, obviously. That's threaded. I'm gonna guess that bolt goes through here. Yeah, this is not that hard. Okay. That's a special bolt. That's a special bolt. Wow, that is a big Allen wrench. Okay. This is a really stiff spring, really stiff spring. This is a not so stiff. I think this goes inside of here, pretty sure. And then you got this rubber stopper. Okay. So this is definitely where stopper, but I think it must go in like this. There we go. So now when it's in its upper position, this should rest right here. And if it goes this way, I could see. No. If it goes this way. Okay, so we got that part. tight fit. Now, where does this go? Is it this thing? This might go right in here. Looks like it. All right, so it looks like this goes in this hole right here. Yep. Just need to tighten that. And then we're going to take this. So we've got two springs here. Let's see, one's going to go probably like this. And then that's got to go on there, which is going to be really hard to pull. I don't know how I'm going to do that. Yeah, so this has got to go from here up to there. All right, we will just tighten this. That's good. Okay, this is the Allen you're gonna need. It's a 8mm. Just try to put that in. It's already got Loctite on it, which is good. It's definitely not going anywhere. Okay. Okay, so as tight as I can get it. Okay, so that's where that rests. So kind of out of the way. And then this is what you push down on to raise it up. Okay, one other thing I did just to be on the safe side was I took a rubber mallet and just banged this a few times to make sure it's as tight as it possibly can get, because you don't have a lot of leverage with this. Okay, so we've got these bolts tied in here. I'm still assuming that that's correct. Looks like it. I mean, in the way it's hitting, it's not touching anything else. See, it's very close, but not touching. And now I just gotta get this on there. I got some tools here to try. Of course, this is the piece that came out of there, so I'll just keep that. I've got a little hook here. I've got a flathead screwdriver and a special hooking needle nose. So we'll see which one works. Let's try this. Put my foot down. Okay, it's on, I think. Okay. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so these definitely came in handy because I could pull the thing. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, looks good. Okay. Looks good. Looks good. I think we're good to go. All right, there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching.